In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mix templates on Lucidpress, recently renamed Mark. This is a straightforward and efficient process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly merge various templates to create a customized design that suits your needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and search for Lucidpress, now known as Mark. Once you've accessed the website, you'll need to sign up if you don't have an account already. Signing up is a quick process. Just follow the prompted steps to get started. For those of you who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Next up, we need to head over to the Templates section. This is where you can browse through a plethora of design options and choose the ones that align best with your project goals. After selecting your desired templates, open each one of them in separate Lucidpress documents. This separation is crucial as it allows you to work on each template individually, making it easier to combine them later on. Now, with your templates open, identify the pages within the first document that you want to move. To do this, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the pages you want to select. This action is vital. It ensures you're picking exactly the sections you wish to integrate with another template. Once you've highlighted your pages, it's time to copy them. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac to copy the selected pages. This action prepares the pages you've chosen to be transferred over to another document seamlessly. After copying, go to the other document where you want to include the recently selected pages. In this new document, identify the specific spot in the template where you'd like to insert the copied content. Click on the page that should precede the ones you're adding. This ensures that any new pages you insert flow logically within the existing structure of your design. To paste the previously copied pages, press Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. The pages will be inserted directly after the selected page. If you need to bring in more sections from other templates, just repeat the copying and pasting process as needed using the same steps we covered. And there you have it. Mixing templates on Mark is as simple as that. With a little practice, you can effortlessly create unique designs by combining elements from multiple templates, tailoring your projects to fit whatever creative vision you have in mind. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.